Hello and welcome to a puzzling time video. It's been a long time since we've last looked at a puzzle. Happy 2023. So we are going to try and solve the aMAZEing, emphasis on the maze part, QuizBrix Lego puzzle box. Don't usually like to do solves, but I've been asked to do this one by QuizBrix, and then I'll be giving this away on the Discord as well, if you remember at the Discord. So, the aMAZEing, before you start, see the other side. 2 QR codes, one for reset instructions, one for solution instructions. It's a puzzle box made of Legos. Find the golden bar, solve the steps in order of sequential discovery, pay attention, pull, push, do whatever you want. But don't use force, don't use fingertips, don't pull the puzzle apart, fair enough. And if you are disconnecting pieces, you're doing something wrong. Right, so let's start straight away by saying spoiler alert, and then we'll get into it. So this is an interesting feature here. Everything's pretty square except this. We seem to have lots of little white buttons, some of which are aligned to holes on the other side, some of which are not. Little clear block here, a hole, and if I'm going to do anything, it's probably going to be one of these white blocks, isn't it? So that one moves a little bit, just a little. Can't really do anything without pushing it hard, so let's leave that for now. This one seems to move. Again, just a little bit. Oh, this one. It's pushing it. So I'm pushing the whole block here. I push that block in. This one comes out. What's that in there? It's a tool. It's a little push door. Moves this hinge and we get a tool, which I presume we use now in these slots. Can I push any of these white ones out? Oh, that's moved something. So moving that, we look at the depth of it, has now allowed me to push this in further that way, which is going to allow me to push this one in further. So this might be part of like the maze thing. Okay, so I can attack this from two sides. I don't think that's done much. Oh, that's come out there. That's like a draw. That's been held in here though. So can I? They're misaligned. So the window there must be something that drops into this spot here, and I can push it across. Oh, that's pushed. I should push that one back, whether that is part of the reset or... here we go. Pulled out a little window there, and I've got a second tool. I've got this long grey tool here. This must be a long grey tool. I've seen these before, unless it's holding something for a pivot. Right. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're not quite on the same level, but I've got this long grey tool out now. 3 tools, 2 long ones, and this little dinky piece. which maybe I need to go here. How do I get it there? So there's a big hole here. It doesn't really go anywhere. And there's a small hole here, which is probably more likely. Do I put it in this way? Or this way? Or does it not matter? Right, well, let's have a go. Dropped it in. Seems to go all the way to the bottom here. I can just about see it through that hole. I'm not sure if you can. So I'm going to use this tool to push it down to here. So it seems this one now. Oh, there we are. So this, is that going to allow me to get? I don't get it. Oh, it's come back out. But my tool's now in here. Oh, it's fallen out again. So what's this done? This is the bit that I found early on. I said it could push in, and now it comes out. Does it free this hole up? Ah, okay. Right, so now I've got another hole here. So I'm guessing it goes in there. That looks like... Okay, so it's here. I've got a window. I don't have any way of pushing it. So this is now a maze. So this on the bottom is my maze, I'm guessing. So I'm down here. Now I'm here. That felt like it rattled. Maybe to here in this corner. No, maybe not. Is there a way of seeing where it is? So I'm trying to work out where it is. I think it's around here somewhere. Is it single layer or is it double layer? Ah, here it is. I've managed to get it into this window. So now I can use this tool. It's going to be hard to show. Let's see if I can trap it. It's just there. It's not. It seems to drop down into it. Maybe this is not quite on a single layer. Right. It's where I need it to be. I'm trying to show you this. I've trapped it there. So I've now trapped it in this window, and I'm going to push. And that's freed up the locking mechanism for this drawer. And then there's something sliding around in there. Is this another tool? Can I push this out? Seems to be jammed up. Let's see if I can hook it. Ah, there we go. And there we are. And another QR code which is going to take us somewhere. So we found our gold bar. Not sure how long it took, probably around 10 minutes or so. Pretty logical. Really fun, really clever. Basically, once you found this tool, you use this tool to manipulate the sliders to get our counter, which is used twice, and our tool, and use this longer tool to free up the maze, if you like, to be able to use the counter for the second time. So that's really interesting. It's going to be quite a difficult reset, so I might use that reset QR code instructions if it gets stuck. But well, that's really fun. Superb puzzle box. Definitely looking forward to seeing what QuizBrix come up with next. Check these out. I'm going to put links in the description below. Check them out, see what other items they've got for sale, and yeah, if you're having a go at this, definitely good luck with this and other QuizBrix puzzle boxes. That's all for now. I want to try and make more videos this year, try and be in contact a bit more. So, you know, if there's a particular puzzle you want me to try out or see, one that's either in my collection or you think I should purchase and try out, just comment below. I'm open to all kind of offers, and I'll see you all very, very soon.